everyone, welcome to my channel.
DM Electrical Tutorials.
Hello guys, we have three printers here have a problem. If the problem printer is always stopped and not clear, I will show you what the problem, okay? If the printer not clear, printing not clear, and always stopping, the fault is jet not detected. This easy to fix. Same 9450 and 9232, the problem is same. You have to change this. You see this one? This is the problem. Even it's working, after that again stop, keep stopping. This is the problem. See where it's broken. Easy to replace, just one bolt. Just remove this bolt. I will show you how to change this one deflection plate. Okay, just one screw. This is the one we're gonna use. You need Allen key and only one bolt. Okay, only this one. Before turn on, remove the head cover, clean the head, remove the head cover, clean the head. I use only I use solvent cleaning. I don't use any knife or any brush. This is methyl ethyl acetone for the printer. And then clean, don't look. So no moisturize, make sure dry, then will be okay after. Make sure dry. That's the way I clean, fix the printer. How do you call this? Who are fixing the printer? I know the guy fixing printer, they know about this. This is, they call deflection plate. If this one is broken, doesn't detect, that jet not detected, because that one even working good, machine's okay, printing keep stopping, always faulty, because that is a sensor like a gutter. Okay, deflection, they call the right name for this is deflection plate, but this is to detect the ink flowing, so that if this one broken, not clear, and after that working half an hour and then keep stopping, giving fault, stop printing because of that one. So that deflection plate is very important. We ordered already. This is the deflection plate. I'll show you. This is deflection plate. You have two here, see? If one side broken, still okay, but better change two. See? That's the one. This is deflection plate. You need to order this one, see? If one piece is broken, still okay, but better change two, because the ink flowing in between of this deflection plate, in between, going here, to detect the jet head flowing. And if one is broken, still okay, but better change new one. Alright? Okay, so careful to clean this. Don't use any screw or knife. The line attendant, they use knives. So then it comes together. So when you order, better change both. Change two. Right? Okay, the one I changed already. 9040. Head cover not detected because I removed. There's a sensor here. There is a magnet here. See? That one. When we put this, the cover disappears. See, this is a magnet. This magnet like switch. Two already. So I changed brand new. Brand new now is here. Okay. deflection plate. This one to detect the ink flowing and the matrix, the one dot, to that make it clear. And after that, no more fault. Right? Okay. That's all, guys. Okay, I will put the cover and let's see. I will put the cover now and clean. This one clean, I use only solvent spray. Alright, clean now. I put nice. Okay, good. But there is a magnet. Okay, this is the old one here. This spin. Now, head cover absent. So fix and clear. Clear the port. Okay, will be okay now. See, now it's good. Now it's running, right? It's okay. It's running now. Printer picks now. One, well, good. This one is garbage. We need to order more. Right? Okay, that's all. See you next video. Bye.